The GLAHODEN Retractable garden hose reel delivers strong water flow through its long, heavy-duty hose, making it well-suited for larger yards and demanding watering or cleaning tasks. Its dual ratchet locking system lets you secure the hose at nearly any length with reliable precision, so you are not fighting kinks or extra hose on the ground. The self-winding mechanism uses an industrial-grade spring that pulls the hose back smoothly at a controlled speed, reducing whipping and tangles when you retract it. Weather-resistant materials and a treated housing help the reel withstand sun exposure and freezing temperatures, so it can stay mounted outdoors year-round without degrading quickly. The reinforced hose construction and quality brass fittings are designed to handle high water pressure without leaks, while the internal guide keeps the hose feeding in and out cleanly. A sturdy wall bracket with wide swivel range and a comfortable multi-pattern spray nozzle make everyday use easy, from watering beds to rinsing vehicles or patios.